So I'm almost up to date with my story. As all families do, we got used to life after death, and it was still fine. And things settled back into their traditional rhythms, season after season, and are much as they have always been. And we've got used to Kit Kat being happy again. And then we got used to her being a mum, albeit not a very good or even safe one. And in the end, I think I've learned the final lesson from my travels in time. And I've even gone one step further than my father did.
Okay, I'll do the kids.
No, don't worry. I'll do them.
Yeah, you do them, you lazy bum.
The truth is, I now don't travel back at all. Not even for the day. I just try to live every day as if I've deliberately come back to this one day. To enjoy it, as if it was the full, final day of my extraordinary, ordinary life.
Hello, you're down already. That's great. Thank you so much for that. Didn't we? Fine.
We're all traveling through time together, every day of our lives. All we can do is do our best to relish this remarkable ride.